So what's my motivation for bulking lately? Aside from looking good, why do I want a thicker neck? So I had this new motivation lately. Like there's this girl. I met her for a few months, and we had something. Right now I'm in a relationship with her, but I have this story. One time we were walking. I was accompanying her from her place. We were walking towards church or something. I don't know. I don't remember. But as we are walking. One time there's this guy. He's huge, or not huge. He's big. He's not. He was not clearly muscular, but you can tell that he has some size because he's thick. Like high, of course, high body fat. Most of that size come from that. But yeah, and he was on a motorcycle. Like we're close to a gas station, so he drove. He drove towards us. He was passing by us. He told my girl, or my love. He said, "Hi, baby." Like, us, we were both weirded out for a second, but that that annoyed me a little. Yes, of course, I did not. Ano, I did not go back or said something rude to that guy or get angry because he was on a motorcycle. So he just passed by, and then he was gone. But after a few moments, as we are walking, as I told my lover that this is one of my motivation to get bigger. He told me when I was working out, or when he saw my physique, "Why do you want to get so big?" He said, "I love your body right now," he said. And then I told her that I want to protect her, I want to get stronger, not just to look good. I mean, I do want some of it, but that's just not no reason. I will be doing some neck extensions if I just want to look good. To be knockout proof as well. So yeah. Well, there's that. I told her there's gonna be some people or men that are considered dangerous. Especially that guy did not even saw me as a potential threat. So that's why he did not hesitate to call her call her that hiding. Yes, it was not sexually suggestive as much, but you know, still annoying. He's he's he's, he's my love, right? So yes, combat sports, learning how to fight is much more important in this type of scenarios if you want to protect your girl on the streets. But I want to be more intimidating. I want to be big and then big and strong, and then I will learn how to fight. So in the future you might see me create a new channel or second channel aside from the Christian gospel, me training to do some martial arts, combat sports, wrestling, grappling, and all that. But right now, I want to focus on one thing, and I cannot afford both. So, if you want to bulk, get big, get strong, be intimidating, and yeah, that fuel me. And right now, I have this sort of aggression feeling right now. Come on, let's lead. Let's do some next. Yeah, that's that. Sort of. It's funny because yes, it's not a big deal, right? Just some guy um being a little bit flirtatious, attention seeking to your girl. But what if it was more than that? Like, what if the guy was much more, I don't know, has less self control, it's more unhinged, right? And he wants to harass her or touch her. Like, I want to have the confidence that I can, yeah, I can protect her. Yeah, I'm heavier, or most likely I have a better body mass, I, FFMI. Like, yes, right now I have some decent muscle, but I'm on the lighter side. I'm not as strong as I could be since I have been lifting for 2 months. Yes, it was not my focus, but I want to get really strong. Like, my bench press was 60 kilos just now. That is one of my motivation. Like, get strong. What if, like, there's a confrontation? I want to have the assurance in myself that no, yes, if this guy tries something, willing to go. Yes, in the Bible it said turn the cheek, but someday you will have to. There's gonna be times you have to protect. You're not. You will not kill, right? You'll not kill. Protect. So that's it. That's my motivation or new motivation. Aside from looking good and posing in the mirror, or looking attractive, protection. One time too, there's this man, I was walking shirtless outside, and he said some intrusive thought about put a shirt on. He said, I'll stab you in the chest. Like, I will even take your mama with you, he said. So, yeah, there's that. Death threats. So, aside from knowing good, I want to be useful. That's that is all. My mom always tells me that why do you keep posting? He thinks that I just want to look nice as in the mirror. But it's more than that. I want to get strong to be able to protect others. Father Moses mentioned that in today's age we are to focus on looking good or obsess on looking certain way, that we might that we forget what our role as a man or men. We need to protect. Yes, having a full six pack, shredded six packs is nice and all, but for what if you're not strong or you cannot protect? I guess there's some martial artist who is much lighter and could be much deadlier, right? There's also that. There's some thought I had, my motivation and all. Might be a weird and new topic since I'm shirtless right now. Yeah, thanks for watching. That is my new motivation. I'm hungry right now, so I'm about to eat some eggs and rice. Thank you.